Hi guys, welcome back. So today it's gonna be a Nykaa haul. So Nykaa had a sale on their website, so I got a lot of stuff and I'm gonna share with you everything which I got from all the offers that I got, all the freebies that I got, and it's gonna be a lot of stuff. So let's just go. Okay, so whatever I got, I'll just put all the prices above somewhere here, and the discount that I got might not be available right now because the sale is over. And there are some discounts which were literally for half an hour, valid for maybe a day. So I just made the most of the deals. Okay, so starting with the first thing, it's the Schwarz proof. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. It's the Spa Essence Enriching Cream Mask. It's basically a hair spa that you get from salon. It's that cream. So I actually only use hair mask and not any conditioners. So I just use this. I have a steamer cap. I put that and I use it. So it was on flat 50 off. So I got this. Next is this Miss Claire cleansing oil. So I don't use micellar water. I use cleansing oil. I have dry skin, and the only reason I wanted to try this because it was very cheap and it was on 50% off. So I got this. This is how it looks from the inside. I haven't tried it, so I don't know how will it work. But yeah, something that has been trending on social media. It's the Toli Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner. The reason that I got is it's a big jar. I'm a dry skin family, so I thought I'll give this a try. This is also on some off. I got a Toli Moly sheet mask free with this, but I've already used it, so yeah. Next is this Pond's cream. So if you buy this individually, it will cost you a lot more, but this combo of two was on off and my whole family uses this cream, so I just got it. Moving on, it's this Simple Ceramide Cream and Hydrating Gel Cream. So if you've used Clinique Moisture Surge, this is exactly like this. I've already used a lot of these tubes. So this both was on combo and was on great off. So I got these two together. Also the Toli Moly toner that I saw, I have put this in the spray bottle. It's just convenient to use it this way. Next is this translucent powder from PAC. I have not even opened it yet. It's the mini version of it. I already have a loose powder with me. I just thought I'll give this a try. I didn't get any major off in this. I just still got it. So again, something which was on great discount and I got a great offer in this. It's the Men Dove Cool and Fresh deodorant. So this was a full bottle, the full size bottle, and I got this half size bottle free with this. So great discount. I got this from my dad. He'll use it. Next is this my cult favorite L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. It's a hair serum. Smells amazing. Used it, 2 or 3 bottles of it. Again got this on discount. I think it was on 40% off. So why just not restock it? Next is this Wish Care Underarm Roll-On Serum Aqua Fresh. It's with 5% AHA, kojic acid, Cica. It's an underarm deo. I also got this Ceramide Wish Care Lip Balm. I'll just give these two a try. Next is this Nivea Active Fresh Deodorant. So and I got this Pearl and Beauty deodorant which says not for sale free with this. So again, great offer. It was already on discount and I got a freebie with this. So yeah. Moving on is the Nykaa Luxe. So I wanted to try the Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I thought I'll just give this a try. So basically, if you buy a mini size, you get a micro mini size product free with this. That was the offer. So I got Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is how it looks. It's tiny, already a mini bottle. I just wanted to try this before I go on to purchase a bigger one. I got this very small Charlotte Tilbury powder with this. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but maybe travel with this would be a great idea. So that was it in my this box. Next is this L'Oreal Hyaluronic Moisture Cream. So this is basically a night cream. I use it after washing my hair. My hair is damp. I use this cream and then I follow it up with a hair serum. Again, this is on flat 50% off, so that's why I got it. I think I've covered everything that I got. So the last two things are the freebies that I got with all of my order. This is Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. My skin just doesn't like any actives anymore, I feel. And this Plum Body Loving FOMO Mist combo. It has small mist in these, something like this. So yeah, this is what I got as a freebie. You can save this for future reference. This is what all I got.